Today I'd like to introduce you to the Material Menu of Flyingshapes. You open it by simply rotating the wrist of your secondary controller and clicking on this icon. Here you see all the materials used in your current project. You can scroll through them by pushing the thumbstick up and down. And of course you can simply select one of those by pressing the trigger of your primary controller. Another way to select a material is to get it directly from your model. For this, just make sure the bucket icon on the top left is highlighted. Point on a part of your model, press the button with the color picker on your primary controller, and the material of that part will instantly be selected in the Material menu. Once you've selected a material, you can change it in many ways. One way is to click on the type field, select a category, and use one of our material presets that appear below. You will see the parameter sliders change depending on the preset you've chosen. And of course, you can change the value of each slider to create your perfect material, while all the changes you make instantly show in your model. You can click the plus icon to create a new material, which will be an exact copy of the material that is currently selected. To apply a material onto your object, just make sure the bucket icon on the top left is highlighted, point on the desired part of your model, press the trigger of your primary controller, and voila, it's on there.